How to fix Sora AI video generation currently disabled. OpenAI has temporarily disabled Sora AI's video generation feature due to high demand and capacity constraints. While OpenAI has not specified a timeline for re-enabling video generation, they recommend monitoring their status page for updates on service availability. Open your browser and navigate to Sora's official website, status.openai.com. Head over to the option Sora, click on it. If you find any outages, you have to wait until the problem will be resolved. Next thing you can do is wait and retry later. Note the time, set a reminder, clear your browser cache, retry the sign up. Likewise, reach out to the support team. Navigate to Sora's Contact Us or support page on their website. Look for a help section or support email address. Write a clear, concise email or support ticket. Include the exact error message you received, the time you tried signing in, and any steps you have already taken. Use the provided contact form, email address, or chat support option. Make sure you receive a confirmation that your inquiry has been logged. If you don't receive a response within a reasonable time frame, typically 24 to 48 hours, follow up with a polite reminder. Reference your previous ticket or email for context. Keep an eye on your inbox for responses from support. Also check any user dashboards or support portals that might have updates on your query. Following these steps, you can fix Sora AI video generation currently disabled issue. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.